Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install backup camera in 2015 Audi Q5 that it didn't come with navigation. That's our OEM fit backup camera. And that's the factory screen, internal MMI or Audi Concert. Going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera. And let me start the car. By turning the steering wheel, the dynamic parking guideline turns too. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call and book your appointment at 905-604-4294. Thank you and have a great day.